Access to clean cooking fuel is a critical aspect of sustainable development. In many parts of the world, traditional cooking methods, such as burning biomass fuels like wood, charcoal, or animal waste, contribute to significant health and environmental challenges. However, the adoption of clean cooking fuels offers a promising solution to address these issues and improve the well-being of communities worldwide. This video explores the benefits of clean cooking fuel and highlights its role in creating a healthier and more sustainable future. One of the primary advantages of clean cooking fuel is its positive impact on human health. Traditional cooking methods release harmful pollutants and toxins into the indoor air, leading to respiratory problems, eye irritation, and other serious health issues. According to the World Health Organization, nearly 4 million people die prematurely each year due to indoor air pollution caused by traditional cooking practices. By transitioning to clean cooking fuel, such as liquefied petroleum gas, LPG, biogas, or electric stoves, these health risks can be significantly reduced. Clean fuels produce minimal smoke and harmful emissions, creating a safer cooking environment and improving the respiratory health of individuals, particularly women and children who are often the most affected. Clean cooking fuel also offers significant environmental benefits. Traditional cooking methods contribute to deforestation, as large amounts of wood and charcoal are harvested for fuel. This deforestation exacerbates climate change, reduces biodiversity, and disrupts ecosystems. Despite the numerous benefits, access to clean cooking fuels remains a challenge in many regions, primarily due to affordability and infrastructure constraints. Governments, international organizations, and the private sector must work together to make clean cooking fuels accessible and affordable for all. This includes subsidizing clean fuels, developing distribution networks, and raising awareness about their advantages. Innovative financing mechanisms and partnerships can play a crucial role in expanding access to clean cooking fuel, particularly in low-income and rural communities. This includes subsidizing clean fuels, developing distribution networks, and raising awareness about their advantages. Innovative financing mechanisms and partnerships can play a crucial role in expanding access to clean cooking fuel, particularly in low-income and rural communities. Transitioning from traditional cooking methods to clean cooking fuel is a vital step towards achieving a healthier and more sustainable future. The adoption of clean fuels can improve indoor air quality, reduce deforestation, mitigate climate change, and enhance energy efficiency. Ensuring universal access to affordable clean cooking fuel requires concerted efforts and collaboration across sectors.